Good afternoon. Welcome to Hedgehog's Homestead. What are we doing today? Well, we've done a lot of stuff. Went and got Big Daddy chainsaw. Gonna see that in action. Got me some necessary safety gear for all of those of you worried about my safety. Appreciate it. Got me some chaps. Got me a nice little helmet. Most of all, got me a nice daddy saw. We got us a generator so we can power tools at the tiny house. And right now, I knocked on 3 doors, had 2 no's, and now I got a yes. We're getting us some free pallets. You can take to the homestead.
And the free pallets are to put implements on.
Put implements on, and the good folks at Right Floors in Clarksville, Tennessee.
Right Floors right over there.
They were kind enough to say you guys can have our pallets, and whenever you see them out here, you can take them. So what we're gonna do?
We'll get some for composting too.
We'll use them for a variety of reasons, but we'll load up the truck with pallets. So okay. Here we go. We're gonna load up the truck.
All right.
Let's get busy.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. You think so?
Yep.
I don't know.
That's nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really heavy. Yeah. That's just double.
Yeah, still. Oops. It'll all work. I mean, it'd be nicer if we could get the all wood slat ones.
We're frozen to each other.
Not helping me out much here.
I know.
I need to have more, keep that end over. What? Helping me out here. I need these, I want to all that space.
Well, let me get up there. I can't get in here with you.
Ooh, that one's nicer.
Yeah.
That's way nicer. I want to get those ones. Look and see those ones that have their feet.
That are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is really good for the implements right here.
This one under here is good.
What?
This one next down is good.
Good. Yep, it sure is. I got it. Oh, that's heavy. Look for more of those.
We can make a coop out of those. This is a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. I got it.
This bottom one's a good one. This one here's a good one.
Okay. Yep, that's real good. Ouch. Hold on, you. Well,
The rest of those are. We don't have any room for anymore.
nope.
All right, Daddy, good job.
There we go. Getting us some free stuff.
For a change.
Yeah. Well, getting us some free stuff after we just spent a bundle.
Yeah.
Well,
Should I close this? Or?
yeah. Well, hold on a sec. gonna put my strap on first. And we'll just use one strap, would be good. Run this one over
To
mid. I think there's one mid level. How do you do that?
we had to pick the coldest day ever to do this.
Sorry, Your Highness, we couldn't get the weather to cooperate as well.
It's been snowing a little bit today. It's like
baloney. It's
30
just cold.
degrees.
It's just cold. Okay. Let's
Where
put
does-
that. I want that right back there. Don't need to get all wet.
There you go, guys.
So how you do it hedgehog style.
Yep, and they say we can come back for more if we want it.
And we'll be back.
Yeah, because we might
You can
make
build lots of cool stuff with pallets.
chicken coops, all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
So, and with the prices of everything right now,
We'll be getting off some pallets.
yeah,
For shizzle.
for shizzle. For shish, for sure.
That's right.
That's what he said.
That's right.
Instead of that's what she said.
That's
So
what he
remember,
said.
guys, please like and subscribe.
Ring that notification bell.
You guys have a great day. Have a hedgy day.
Have a hedgehoggy Friday, and God bless you.
Bye. Daddy, what's on the front porch?
I don't know. Looks like Maple got her another beauty treatment.
What is that thing called?
Huh?
What is that thing called?
It's called a eye hitch.
Eye hitch. What do you
Yeah,
mean?
so we can put this on the 3-point on back of Mabel, and that way we can hook up our box blade and our cutter with ease. Anything that goes on Mabel's rear, that's what this is
Nice.
for.
Delivered right to our front door.
Right to our front door, and that thing weighs like 100 and something pounds because it's all steel. So we got to get it in the back of the truck.
Ugh.